Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Tun Jong Lai.
My name is Lin Ziyan.
My name is Alison.
My name is Gordon.
Today we are going to present about air conditioning. And these are contents that we are going to focus on. The first one is introduction. Next is history of air conditioner, timeline, the achievements and contributions of words, the challenges of using air conditioner, the values of this carrier, the influence of the world, the tips to use AC, air conditioner efficiently, and also last one, conclusion. Nowadays, climate change has become more and more serious. Because of that, air conditioning has become an important part in our daily lives. As you can see, there are two air conditioners installed on the ceiling in our classroom. We have to thanks to them so we can sit here feeling very cool and comfortable. But without the air conditioner, we would probably be feeling extremely hot in this morning. So, what is air conditioner? Air conditioner is a machine that cools the air and control the humidity to make a place more comfortable. So, you guys can look at this picture. I believe that every student has this type of air conditioner at home, right? Yeah, so basically we all know that what is air conditioner. So next, my roommates are going to explain and discuss the history, the creation of air conditioner.
Air conditioner was first invented for control the humidity of a cooling people. In 1902, a person William Henry Carroll, he was created the first air conditioner to control the high humidity for a printing industry. It is because the printing industry have high humidity, they will cause paper and ink problem. And the air conditioner can help to control the humidity and temperature. It can keep the paper more stable and increase the printing quality. As a result, the worker found that the air conditioner can air cooler, and also air conditioner become more comfortable. This is air conditioner timeline. In 1922, the first commercial air conditioner was used in cinema and it attracted more people to come during summer. In 1931, home air conditioner become more cheaper, so more people use it. In 1950, they have central air conditioner. The central air conditioner become more popular, so people will use it for cooling the whole building. In 1990, air conditioner become more energy efficient and cheaper. For today, air conditioner become smart and we can control it by phone. Next, we turn to Shelly.
ENL has given a lot of achievement and contributions to our society, include transforming life quality. It's because ENL can control the temperature in our living space, and it provides a cool and comfortable environment for us, including in movie theater and shopping centers. We are able to have a comfortable environment in the hot weather. Back to the days that we don't have aircon. People relying on fan and fridge opening windows, but now we have the invention of air conditioning. We are able to have a more convenient lifestyle. Next is advancing global industry. It is because aircon can control the temperature. We are able to do the global shipping of fruit such as strawberries and ice cream, and it improves the economic growth. Next is protecting the health and safety. Carrier recognized as the father of air conditioning, which is considered one of the most impactful engineers of the 20th century. Aircon also listed among the top 10 greatest engineering achievements of the 20th century by the National Academy of Engineering. It is globally acknowledged for improving labor conditions and fuel quality.
Next is the challenge of using air conditioning. First is environmental challenge. Aircon consumes a larger amount of electricity and often use refrigerants that contribute to greenhouse gas emission. This increases the energy use and climate impact. Next is the organizational challenge. Many buildings have outdated system and brought in and long operating hours to lead higher cost and higher energy use, and it also cost unnecessary energy waste. Next is the social economic challenge. Not everyone can afford aircon. This creating inequality because of wealthier groups stay comfortable from heat, but poor families will face higher exposure from heat-related risks. Next is the behavioral challenge. Many people like to overuse aircon. They setting the temperature too low or leaving the aircon running when no need to use. This causes energy consumption and higher electricity cost. Next is biophysical challenge. When spending too much time in cool indoor space will affect your health. For example, you will easily get fever, dry skin, or joint pain. Next is the values and leadership style of Billy's career. His first core value was innovation. He believed science can solve real problems, and he created a system that can control both humidity and temperature, which was something revolutionary at that time. Next, his leadership style was scientific and evidence-based. He used experiments and calculation and engineering principles to perfect his design. He focused on accuracy and reliability, set higher standard for the entire coal industry. Next, he shows strong perseverance. Even he faced many challenges, he still continued testing and improving his ideas until the aircon became practical and accepted by others. Next is he also believed in universal application. He wanted his invention can benefit to everyone in homes, industry, office, or in hospitalities. Influence of the world. First is positive influence. It can improve quality of life and health. productivity. Aircon make people feel comfortable in indoor environment, so it can increase worker productivity. There are also have negative influence. First is increased energy demand. Hope with the make people use more aircon, so an aircon will use more electric and energy. It will increase energy demand. And the last is will cause climate change contribution. Air conditioner use a lot of energy. It will cause greenhouse gas increase and cause the climate change.
So next, I'm going to share some tips to use the air conditioner efficiently. By following some simple habits, we can save both energy and money at the same time while keeping our rooms comfortable and very cool. First, we have to set the right temperature. Actually, the ideal indoor temperature is around 24 to 26 degrees Celsius. But if you are setting it too low, like 18 to 20 degrees, it will it's actually waste a lot of electricity and also increase the power bill. And besides that, it also makes the air conditioner work harder, which can reduce its lifespan. The next one is you have to turn off AC when you are away. Many people they didn't turn off the air conditioner when they leave, especially in classroom or in house. For example, some students will leave the air conditioner on when they go to college because they want to come home later and enjoy a cool room immediately. However, this wastes a huge amount of energy throughout the day. Next one, we have to always keep doors and windows closed while the air conditioner is open. If the cold air escapes through an open door or windows, the air conditioner will need to long longer to maintain the same temperature. And also, so this not only increase energy use, but also put extra strain on the system. The last one, don't forget to change the air filters regularly. This is because dirty air filters can block the airflow and make the air conditioner less efficient.
In conclusion, aircon is not only helping us to keep cool and comfortable in the hot weather, it is also supporting the growth of cities and the businesses. However, it still has some disadvantages if we don't use it wisely, such as environmental impact due to high energy consumption and requires regular cleaning and maintenance. Even though air conditioning is now a part of modern life, it is important to use it wisely to minimize the negative effects. Now is our Q&A section. Who invented air conditioning? Anyone know?
Release carrier.
Yes.
That's correct.
Why is air conditioning important?
To help us keep cool